All right, we got a quick unboxing and review for y'all today. So this is a ratchet screwdriver set. It's 66 in 1. It's a 66 in 1 set. It is a magnetic screwdriver set. It's got S2 steel bits and it's portable precision for whatever you need to use it for. So this is the back. This magic ratchet handle, S2 alloy steel bit, super hard aluminum alloy handle. So let's open it up, show you what all comes in the box. Pull that out. It comes wrapped up in this little plastic. And then boom, it comes with a hard carrying case. It's a plastic. So it's a nice protective case. You just pop it open right here. Boom. And there it is. So it's 66 pieces. And this little thing, the handle right here, is pretty neat. We'll pull that out first. So you can actually adjust it. So you can have it with the longer handle on here if you need more torque, if you need it to if you need more pressure on it, you can use this handle, or you can also take these off. So they just pull in and out, so you can see if it's in there. You can take these off and you can actually add it down here to make it longer. So now if you needed an extension here and you don't need as much torque up here, you can do it that way. And you can even pull this one off, boom, and do it again and make it even longer and use it like this. So there's different ways you can use it. It is a ratchet strap, y'all can hear that there. And then you can change, right here is how you change the direction. So flip it and now you can go opposite direction. So it works just like a ratchet does. So you can do it, this length, you can do it at this length, or you can even do it this way. So, and then this one pops off as well at the very first one. But yeah, so that's that. We'll show you all the bits. So I'm not going to run through every single one of the bits just to save time, but if you want to, you can pause this video and look at each one on here right now. You do have some bigger ones right here. There's 6 bigger ones right here. So you have Phillips head, flat head, a star bit. You have your typical bits there. And then when it comes to these, you have, your star bits over here, all kinds of different bits, flat heads. And then these are really small, fine bits here. We'll get a little closer so y'all can see that right there. So, Phillips head, flatheads, star bits, there's all kinds of different ones just for your needs, and there's every different little size, and each one of these are actually numbered. So let's pull one out. So as you can see right there, let me see if it focuses. There, you can kind of, it says it right there, AP2 is a number. So each one of these are numbered, and it has the number right there, so you know what slot it goes into. So that's nice for the organization, because once you pull them out, it's hard to know where they go and put them back in. They are color coded, so you have blue, green, purple, and then down here you also have green, red, orange, gray, purple, and blue. So I'll let you get a closer look at these as well. So these are the bigger bits down here, and then your real small ones up here. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that comes in it, and it's super easy if you want to put these in the handle. They have this like a 1/4 inch bit there. You just take it and put it in, just like any other ratchet strap or like socket set that you have. It works the same way. So that just goes straight in. So that's one of the bigger ones. All right, so these bits are magnetic. So in there is a magnet. So when you take these bits, they just go. You see how it kind of sticks in there. So it is magnetic. So the bits down here, they will, they're the correct size where they slide straight in and they stay. But for the bits up top, they are of a smaller diameter. They are smaller. So you will need to use this red bit here as an adapter. So you just take the small one, put it in there, and then you can take it, put it in there, and now you can use it that way. So I did find out that you can actually take this off if you need the extra extension. Say you want it to make it longer, you can use it just like this and put it straight in. So if you're in a tight place or whatever, and you don't have much room for the extension, you can just put it to the side or take it off completely and use it like that. You can even put all of them on one side and make it just like a regular, wrench or ratchet, just like that. So there's all kinds of different ways you can use this. That's super cool. So let's test it out and give you some real world examples real quick. All right, so we're gonna demonstrate how to use this on this little cycling shoe I have. The little cleat on the bottom has an Allen wrench screw there on the bottom. So we're gonna find the correct bit inside of our little toolbox here, a little toolkit. So we're gonna find the right bit. I believe it's gonna be this one. Insert it there. And these are magnetic, so they kind of stick in there. So make sure you have it on the right setting here. Make sure you switch it the right direction. I need to put it on the loosening direction there. So once you put it in, you're going to use these handles to crank down on it like that. Then ratchet, crank down, ratchet. And that's how you loosen it. And then when you want to tighten it back up, you take that little switch on the top and you flip it back over to the tightening position. We're going to put it on there, and then we're going to tighten it back down just like that. And then you can, with these two handles on the side, you can really, kind of crank down on there to get it tight. So boom, just like that. That's how you use it.